Alright guys, so we have a 2014 Ford F-150 crank no start. Let's see what we got. Alright. Definitely a crank no start. Let's see if we got any codes. Automatic search. And we'll just go straight into power control, powertrain control module. Go to read DTCs, retrieve. Nothing. No DTCs. We got nothing. Alright, so let's just go into actuator tests. We're going to see if the fuel pump is even turning on. Let's see if we can listen to it or not. So go to fuel pump. Okay. Now we'll go outside. We're gonna go. We'll go underneath the car. We'll see if we can even hear this thing turn on. We'll turn it on. And I don't hear nothing. Try it again. And I don't hear nothing. Okay. So the question is, why isn't the fuel pump turning on? Is it the fuel pump itself? Is it a fuel pump relay? Is it the fuse? Wiring? Maybe a module? What is the issue? So we're just going to start with the basics. We're going to look into the fuses. So after doing a little bit more research with these cars, there's a TSB bulletin on ALLDATA that basically says that the battery junction box exhibits signs of excessive heat at fuse F27. So we're going to check that out real quick. Alright, so this should be the fuel pump fuse F27. If we really take a look at it, I mean, it doesn't look popped, but I do see like some heat marks there on the right side. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna replace it and see if it at least gets the fuel pump going. So this is a 20 amp fuse. Should be this one. Yep. Pop that in. We'll see if she starts. That's interesting. The fuse isn't popped, but it's a little bit burnt, and that caused it not to start. Yeah, that's a good one. But after doing a little bit more research here on ALLDATA, basically there is a correct way to fix this. I guess they recommend changing the placements of the fuse, and that's basically, you have a relocation kit, and that's the proper way to fix it. So from my understanding, what we just did should just keep you going for another 3 months. It's a temporary solution, but if you want a real fix, then you're gonna have to get the kit and relocate the fuse. And I do want to show you guys what it would sound like when we turn on the fuel pump. You hear that? Yeah, that's a big difference right there.